Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, sometime what happens when we try to run any commands and even open the startup or the perform some steps from there, and you will see your username or password is incorrect error. This error. The password is incorrect. But you are entering the password, correct password, and you can also view it. But sometime what happens that due to the keyboard layout, some specific key or the at the rate or hash key doesn't work in that way which you expected. So that is the reason just you need to click on change keyboard layout, and from there select the keyboard to US. Even if your language is different, but I recommend you to choose this option so that everything works fine. And now once you see this option, press at the rate and now view it, and you should able to see the issue will be fixed instantly. I intentionally putting the wrong password to show you just, but your issue should be fixed. Even you can choose a different username and then you can put the password there and you can try to log in with that, and now you can perform the next step on your system. This is the video guys. Since I have to make a video on it due to the users commented on my videos, their password and username don't work the expected way. So that's all for this video, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.